in 2017 that the CIA came to call the Vault 7 disclosures. Gigabytes worth of documents leaked by a CIA technology engineer. What he told us was that the CIA can intercept anything from anyone, number one. Number two, they can remotely take control of your car through the car's embedded computer.
Depends on the car. If you drive a modern car, if you drive a 2006 fucking Honda, Honda SUV, I don't think the CIA is remotely hacking into your car. I think if you drive a 2025, fucking Grand Cherokee with a fucking touch screen, yeah, maybe they'll be able to, Cybertruck.
Do what? To make you drive off a bridge into a...
What? They can remotely take over your car and make you veer off a road and...
computer. To do what? To make you drive off a bridge, into a tree, to make you... and make it look like...
Editor, bleep that.
an accident.